how to fix Windows 11 boot problem, display is not showing, or startup problem. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, at this time my PC is turned off. As I turn on my system, so CPU light is indicating, blue light is indicating, as you can see, but display is not showing up. Even after 5 seconds, there is nothing. My system is not booting or not startup. Even CPU light is turned. So if I turn off my system, first thing is that go to your system motherboard, plug out your RAMs. In my case, I have 4 GB RAM in two parts. So you can plug out whatever how much you RAM has and clean them with a vapor or a piece of fabric. So after that, just plug in your one RAM and then turn on your system. Make sure just plug in one RAM. After that, as you can see, after 2 to 5 seconds, your system will show up and message. So, and that is your memory is low. So you have to press enter key, and after that your system will be start up. And after that you can also turn off your system as well very easily. And in this way your system boot up startup problem or display is not showing problem is now fixed. Now after that, again plug in your all RAM. So in my case I have just 2 RAM. I have plug in and then turn on your system, and in this way you have turn on or fix your startup problem, boot problem, and display is not showing problem. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, so make sure to give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. And not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you my friend don't miss out on any other feature, tips, tricks or tutorials. So meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.